English speaking course.
Do you think cooking is easy? Let's make a surprise dinner with Dan and Brian in this video and pick up some vocab about cooking. Hello, is this Brian? Hey Dan, yes, it's me. You must be surprised that I'm calling you, right? Yeah, what's up? Well, today is Lucy's and my 1-year anniversary. She's out for work and probably forgot about today. So you want to blow her mind? Exactly. And I want to make dinner for her. I really need you to give me a hand. Sure, no problem. I love making surprises. Shall we make a list of what dishes to cook? Yeah, actually, I already have a list. We're going to make spaghetti and mashed potatoes, and our dessert's going to be cupcakes. Oh, your combination. It's all Greek to me. But since you like it, I'm going to go with that. Let me look up the recipes on the internet first, and I'll send you the link. Thanks. Want to go shopping with me in about 1 hour? Okay. Now we need to find ingredients to make spaghetti. We need some whipping cream. What for? To make creamy spaghetti. Lucy's gonna love it. Nah, forget about it. Don't you think women would dislike fatty stuff like creamy spaghetti? I think we should make spaghetti with tomato sauce. We just need to add the sauce after boiling spaghetti. Simple but tasty, right? Listen, bro. Do you want to make a special dinner for Lucy? Of course I do. Then why do you just stick to the tomato sauce? Making it will be a piece of cake. If you want to impress her, go for the creamy spaghetti. No way. I bet she's gonna love my recipe more. She's my girlfriend, so I know what she likes. Why don't we make both and see which one is better? Fine, if that's what you want. Bro, why is there a rose here? It will make the cupcakes smell good. Then why did you buy a lot of whipping cream? Well, to save it for a rainy day, I guess. Oh, whatever. Alright, first, we're gonna make mashed potatoes. Have you washed the potatoes? Yes, I have. Now we have to boil them, right? Yep. You need to add salt to the boiling water first. Okay, done. Now I'll put potatoes and garlic in the pot, right? Bingo! We'll wait until they're cooked. We can heat the whipping cream and butter while waiting. Oops! Ah, Brian, what are you doing? You've spilled all the cream. My bad. I don't have time to talk to you. Clean up what she spilled while I cook. All right. Calm down, dude. The potatoes are boiled. Let me drain them. What should we do afterwards? We mash the potatoes with salt and the milk and butter mixture until they are creamy. Next, we'll bake the cupcakes. We have to beat butter and sugar first. Then we blend in the eggs, right? Abso-bloody-lutely. Can you take another bowl and whisk flour, baking powder, and salt? Leave it to me. Woof! We nailed it. Lucy's going to be proud of me. And me as well, bro. It's not only you who made them. We're on a roll now. Only spaghetti left. I'll wash and cut the vegetables first. Hold on, Brian. What is going on here? What did you do to the tomatoes and onions? Oh, look at them. They are in very ridiculous shapes now. I told you to cut them in the pomegranate shape. Come on, bro. What shapes they are doesn't matter at all. I just went with the flow. We'll eat them all anyway. Why so serious? Oh gosh, you really pissed me off. And only Lucy can forgive those ridiculous vegetable shapes. Oh my, stop complaining. We ran out of time. She's gonna come home in 30 minutes. Never mind. Now, add the tomatoes to the blender to make the puree. Next, put the oil, onions, meat, and seasonings into the pan. We should boil the spaghetti as well. It's gonna take a lot of time. Can you set a timer for 10 minutes? Okay, sure. My goodness, my spaghetti! What? I told you to drain the water from the pot of spaghetti, not throw away all the spaghetti. Gosh, we're behind schedule now. Hurry up, hurry up. Stop urging me. Ugh.
A few moments later.
Finally, we're done with the spaghetti and tomato sauce. But we don't have enough time for the creamy spaghetti. It's fine. I think Lucy's gonna love everything we made today. All right, guess I have to go home now. Thank you so much, Dan. Thanks for bearing with me today. Haha. All the best, bro. All right, she's gonna be home in about 5 minutes. I gotta hurry up. I put the rose in the vase. And what are you doing, honey? Oh, Lucy, why are you home so early? Well, I want to go out to dinner with you since today is our 1-year anniversary, right? Aw, you still remember it? How could I forget, Brian? Are these things for me? Yes, they're for you, babe. I made them all by myself. And, well, with a little help from Dan. Wow, the meal looks out of this world. Can I taste them now? Yes, of course, honey. Let's enjoy dinner together. All right, I think I'm going to start with the mashed potatoes. They smell so mouth-watering. Perfect. Really? You may not know, but I did mess up a lot. I couldn't imagine what just happened. No, honey, this is the first time you cooked, right? It isn't bad at all. Honestly, I am amazed and happy at the same time. I'm so lucky to have you as my boyfriend, Brian. Come on, you make me awkward. Okay. Now I'm gonna try the main dish, spaghetti. Yes, please try it right away. So excited. How does it taste? Well, it is... What's wrong? The taste is kind of weird. It doesn't taste like spaghetti at all. Let me try it. Oh no. I think I added sugar instead of salt. Oh, my darling. You are so funny.
Thanks for watching. Please give us a like, share, and comment. Click here for a more useful video.